Good morning teachers. In this video we will discuss about the J quiz, which is the part of Hot Potato software version 6. So first of all, let us discuss what is the use of this J quiz. This J quiz is help to we people as a teacher, as a faculty in university or college level. It help us to make quiz different. There are 4-5 options, means we can make multiple choice type question or filling the blank, or photo will be there, and uh, to identify the photo, like that. So let us start to work out on it. As I told you that these all 6 part of hot potatoes are work as like a hyperlink, means when we put our cursor on it and on particular potato and we click, so that particular page will open out. So as we discussed about this J quiz, so let us click on this J quiz. When we click on this one, this page will open out. So this is the initial page of the J quiz. So how to work on it? First of all, we have to give the title. Actually, we are making the quiz. Different type of question will be there. We are making the quiz, and before starting, we have to give the name to this quiz. Suppose my subject is the GK subject, so I am talking about the GK. So this is the name of quiz, is the GK quiz. Here you can write the question inside this box. We write the question. We can increase the question. After completing the question number 1, we go on question number 2, then question number 3. So this is the one way. These are 4 options. You can increase the options also if they are A, B, C, D. If you would want 6 options, go here and click on this one. So now there are 6 options. I'm talking about the multiple choice questions. Minimum 4, maximum you can raise as per your requirement. So let us start. The another part is also here, the multiple choice question. You can make your quiz. You can include the multiple choice type question, short answer type question, hybrid question, or the multiple select question. So let us work how actually it work out. Suppose the question number 1 is we take very basic questions. Question number 1 is, what is the capital of India? This is my question, and the 4th options are New Delhi. So these are 4 options from my side, and the right answer is of course New Delhi. So this right answer is New Delhi. So I correct right answer. Now it's depend on me what type of question I want. This is the multiple choice question. Is it okay? So this is complete process of question number 1. Let us go on the question number 2. This one. So again it come in the blank mode. It's because already prepared filled by me. Otherwise, when you start it, it will be blank. My question is again, what is the capital of Haryana? So I give as I am making this quiz as a teacher. So I give 4 options. I would like to give 4 options, not 5 or 6, because I cannot decrease from the 4. 4 is minimum. At least 4 should be. So these are options from my side: Chandigarh, Patna, Jaipur, and the Lucknow. And the right answer is this one, Chandigarh. So this is question number 2, and this is the multiple choice type question from my side. Next is the question number 3. I would like to convert this question short answer type question. Okay. So this is 3rd question complete from my side, short answer type question. What is the capital of Punjab? These 4 are the options, and the right answer is the Chandigarh. The 4th one. 4th one, I would like to include multi-select question. Multi-select means if there are suppose 4 options, and out of 4, 2 options are the right answer. So that is in case of the multiple choice, only 1 out of 4 is the right answer. In case of the multi-select, 2, it might be 2 or might be 3 suppose are the right answer. So then you don't go with the multiple choice. Instead of multiple choice question, we have to go with the multi select. So let us write the question. So this is complete. Which are the districts of Haryana? A. Ambala, B. Bhiwani. They both are the districts. They are both are the part of Haryana. Answer C and D. Option C and D are not the part of Haryana. Kanpur is in Lucknow in UP and Kota in Rajasthan. So should be selected A and B. So this is question number 4. It's completed. Question number 5. In this question, out of the following images, which one is the Taj Mahal? So in case of this J quiz, there is option of the images also, means 4 images will be there, and out of these 4 images the student will try to identify which one is the right answer. So I think this J quiz is relevant to primary teachers also. In class first, in standard first or second, third standard, when teacher they they give the task to the students related to the image identification and all. So how to insert it? Very simple. I write down my question. Content should not be here. The particular image we have to insert it here. So for that we have to go here. First of all, we have to save it. Otherwise, it will not function. Further function. So we save it. It's already saved by me. I suggest you have to save it before going for the insert the picture. So we go on the insert and picture. The picture, there are 2 options. Either we picture from the web URL if you would like to import your picture from the internet, or you already saved in your laptop. So I already saved in my laptop, so I select this one, picture from the local file. These are the pictures I already uploaded. So I just select this one. Width and height. Width should be 150. Height will be, by default it's arranged accordingly. Width should be 50 in case of every picture. So I insert this picture. The second one, again I go on this insert picture, the picture from the local file, this one. Again the width should be 150. The C, insert picture, local file. 1 should be the right answer. This is the Taj Mahal. Okay. The 4th one. This one. So this is complete from my side. I inserted 5 questions and now it's completed from my side. Let us go to check it and to complete this task. After completing it, we have to work on it at the end of the student also. So as I told you, in case of every part of Hot Potato software, you have to save it 2 times. Once you have to save through this one in the JCW or JCR format, and the second we have to save it, or you can say this is the procedure of export to create a Hot Potatoes version 6. So this one, save SSSS1. Now you are saving it in the form of the HTML file. So before publishing it, it is mandatory that you have to save it in the HTML format. So we saved it. When you click on the saved button, this box just open out, view the exercise in my browser. Click on this one. So this is the quiz. What is the capital of India? This is my first question. It's up to you. Either you give the option of 1 by 1, means when the students completed the question number 1, only then he or she will be able to go on question number 2. Or the second option, show all questions. So it's up to you as a teacher, as a admin, as a controller. So let us work on it. What is the capital of India? The right answer is the A. Correct. Your score is 100%. Question completed so far 1 out of 5. What is the capital of Haryana? Chandigarh. Correct. Your score is again right. What is the capital of Punjab? So you just remind that when we were preparing the questions, the third question we selected the short answer type question, so that's why it's not the 4 options are not here. It's just as like a filling the blank. So what is the capital of Punjab? Suppose I forget, I have no idea that what is the capital of Punjab. In that case we have to avail this facility of hint. When I click on this hint button, it gives me the next correct letter to the answer is the C. It means the capital of Punjab is start with the word C. So if I recognize it, it's okay. Otherwise I again go on the hint button and I click in. So it gives me the second word, clue of the second word. So I recalled it that the capital of Punjab is the Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Check. Right answer. Correct. Your score is 96%. Why 96%? Why not 100%? Because I used this, I availed this facility of hint. That's why my score is my answer is right, but I scored 96 instead of the 100% because of this. Because I availed this hint facility. So what are the districts? Which are the districts of Haryana? The Ambala and the Bhiwani. Both are the answer. Check this one. Your score is 97%. So accordingly, if you use this hint button, your score will goes down. Out of the following image, which one is the Taj Mahal? So C is the right answer as per my knowledge. Check it. Okay. There are 2 options. Either you give this soft copy to your students, or hard copy also you can give. You can deliver hard copy to your students. It's up to you as per your requirement. Both options are here. So this is basically about the J quiz, how to work on it. Some other options are also here related to this quiz. View quiz outline, the delete question. If suppose you feel after typing the question that your question is wrong, you can delete this question or the answer. Insert question, if you would like to insert question, means question in between question 2 and 3 you would like to insert one more question, so you can do that. You can move the questions. So these all are the facilities. The picture, you can insert the picture from the either from the website or from the local file, and you can create the link also. So this is all about this quiz. We already discussed some basic features, how to create it. So thank you.